Hello everyone, today is December 17 and we are ready to open the slot number 17 from LeetCode for our coding advent calendar. Today's problem shows the power of stack data structure. Let's do this. This is today's problem. Evaluate reverse Polish notation. Evaluate the value of arithmetical expression in reverse Polish notation. Valid operations are plus, minus, multiplication and division. Each operand may be an integer or another expression. Note that division between two integers should be truncated towards 0. It is guaranteed that it is given, always valid expression. So how it works? We have an array of values. Some of these values are real values like integers. Some of them are not values but operations. And here this array is explained as this arithmetical expression. 2 plus 1, like 2 operands, plus, then it collapses to some value like this and multiplies by 3. So we have 2 operands and then operation. Here we have these 3 values will be collapsed into a single value, and there will be 2 values again, and there will be operation multiply. Here we have these 2 operands and this operation here, which will be collapsed into a single value, and we will have this value plus this one and operator, and so on. It can be as complex as you like. Okay, but it is not very complicated to solve this problem, even though it is medium, and it is popular question in Amazon, Google and LinkedIn. So let's start. Let's do this. So my idea is to use stack for this. What are we going to do? We will read our array of values and we will put values on stack. Once we find operation, not a value but operation, we will take 2 values from stack and make operation between them. Once operation is completed, we will put the result on stack and continue scanning our array. And when array is finished, there should be only one value on stack, which is our result. Let's do it. So first of all, I will create a hash set of values which are for operations. So instead of checking if this string is plus or minus, I will just do this. String plus minus multiply and divide. Next we will create our stack, and this stack will be stack of integers. We will parse our values and we will store only values on this stack, not operations. And s in tokens, if s is operation, then we will calculate. We will send our stack there and operation. Else we will put push value on stack int parse s, and as a result we will return value from stack. Now we need to implement this calculate function, which will be void. It will modify stack and it will also accept s. So now we need to read two values from stack in the reverse order, right? If s equal to multiply, then multiply b. If s equal to divide, push a divided by b. If s equal to plus, a plus b. If s equal to minus, a minus b. And that's it. So we will read our array and we will put all values on stack converted into integers. Once we face any of these operators, we will take two values from stack and make this operation computed and put the result on stack. Since it is stated here that input will always be valid, we should not have any issues here. Let's try. Okay, 3 cases are passed. Let's submit. That's it. Okay, let's estimate the consumption, like time consumption and memory consumption. So the performance of this algorithm is big O of n, which is the length of input array. Since all operations on stack are big O of 1, we can state that it is big O of n the whole algorithm. About memory consumption, it is also big O of n because it is possible that we will store almost the whole array of values and only then we will have operations which will collapse the whole stack. So it is big O of n CPU time and big O of n memory. The power of stack, as I told you. The more practice you have with problems like this, the more chance you will recognize the simple and effective solution in real life. Effective solutions leads to happy users and customers. Keep practicing and your users and customers will always be happy. See you tomorrow.